Hello student, I am Asim Kumar Mandal as a mathematics teacher representing Santipani Higher Secondary School Rajyoda. Student, in the previous videos we seen exercise number 2.1, all variations, all questions of the exercise number 2.1. Now we will start exercise number 2.2 with the question number first. What is the demand of the question? Find the value of polynomial. That means we have to find the value 5x minus 4x square plus 3 when x will be equal of 0. First part of question, when x will be equal of minus 1. Second part of question, and x will be equal of 2. Now solution is there. Let us consider 5x minus 4x square plus 3 is any polynomial in the form of x. We have to find out the value of the polynomial at x equal to 0. So we putting x will be equal of 0. P0 will be equal of 5, 0, 4, 0 square plus 3. That means जहाँ जहाँ पर x वहाँ वहाँ पर 0. Now P0 will be equal of 5 into 0 will be equal of 0. 4 into 0 will be equal of 0 and plus 3. That means P0 equal to 3. The answer will be 3 for the first part of first question. Now we moving with the second part. Here same concept is there, but x will be equal of minus 1. Let us consider px will be equal 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Putting x will be equal of minus 1 such that p negative 1 will be equal of 5. जहाँ जहाँ पर x वहाँ वहाँ पर minus 1. 4 minus 1 whole square plus 3 plus minus square, that means a plus minus again minus plus minus 6. There is the answer. नंबर में अगर जो कुछ इधर उधर हो भी जाता है तो आप क्वेश्चन की मेथड पर फोकस कीजिएगा. नाउ थर्ड पार्ट ऑफ क्वेश्चन, x विल बी इक्वल ऑफ 2. हाउ वी सॉल्व? अगेन let us consider polynomial in the form of x. So we taking px equal to 5x minus 4x square plus 3. Putting x equal to 2. Putting x will be equal of 2. जहाँ जहाँ पर x वहाँ वहाँ पर 2. p2 5 into 2 minus 4 2 square plus 3. 5 2 जा 10. 2 2 जा 4 4 4 जा 16. plus minus. So p2 will be equal of minus 3. Students, what is the concept of the first question? Just find the value of polynomial when the variable will be equal of 0, minus 1 and 2. For the 0 we getting the solution 3. For the solution minus 1 we getting minus 6, and finally in the place of 2 we getting the result minus 3. Next question, students, question number second. Find P0, P1 and P2. That means 3 parts of question are there for each of the following. That is the first, then we taking second, then third, and so on. Now solution, given polynomial py will be equal y square minus y plus 1. For P0, taking the heading for P0, putting y will be equal of 0. P0 will be equal of 0 square minus 0 plus 1. 0 minus 0 will be equal of 0. 0 plus 1, that means 1. First part solved. Now for P1, in the case of the 1 we have to putting y equal to 1, then p1 equal to 1, जहाँ जहाँ पर y वहाँ वहाँ पर 1, 1 square minus 1 plus 1, 1 minus 1 will be equal of 0 and 0 plus 1 again 1. Now next one is the for p2, putting y equal to 2, p2 will be equal of 2 square minus 2 plus 1, 2 to ja 4 plus minus minus 1, 4 minus 1 equal to 3. So answer will be first answer is 1, comma second answer is also 1 and third answer is 3. I recall the question. What is the demand of question? P0, P1, P2. That means simply in the polynomial, firstly we put y equal to 0, then y equal to 1, then y equal to 2. Case number first, putting y equal to 0. Case number 2, putting y equal to 1, and finally in the case number 3, putting y equal to 2. Find P0, P1 and P2 for the following polynomial. Pt will be equal of 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Demand of question, we have to find P0, P1 and P2. Now given polynomial Pt will be equal of 2 plus t plus 2t square minus t cube. Case first, putting t equal to 0. Case second, putting t equal to 1. Finally case third, putting t equal to 2. Now t will be equal of 0, that means P0 will be equal of 2 plus 0 plus 2 into 0 minus 0 whole power 3. 2 plus 0 minus 0 equal to 2. Now t will be equal of 1, that means P1 will be equal to 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1. 2 plus 1 plus 2 minus 1, that means 2 plus 2, 4 plus 1. Now third part is the t will be equal of 2. So putting t equal to 2, then P2 will be equal 2 plus 2 plus 2, 2 square minus 2 whole power 3. So 2 into 2, that means 2 to ja 4, 4 to ja 8. 8 will be cancelled from 8. Again we getting the answer will be equal of 4. Student, in the case of the P0, P1 and P2, we have to put t will be equal of 0, t will be equal of 1 and t will be equal of 2. That is the solution of this question. Next question, find P0, P1 and P2. Px will be equal of x cube. A difference from another question, that is the cubic polynomial. Case first, given that Px equal to x cube. Case first, putting x equal to 0, then putting x will be equal of 1, and finally putting x will be equal of 2. Px equal to x cube, that means P0 will be equal of 0 cube, that means 0, first answer. Then P1 will be equal of 1, that means 1, and final answer will be there. P2 will be equal of 2 to the power 3, that means answer will be 0, 1 and 8. Student, given polynomial Px will be equal of x minus 1 and x plus 1. We can write by the identity a minus b, a plus b. A minus b into a plus b will be equal of a square minus b square. We can write x square minus 1 square will be equal of x square minus 1. Equation number first will be equal of Px. Now case first, here case second, and finally we told about the case number 3. Student, firstly putting x equal to 0, putting x will be equal of 1, and finally putting x will be equal of 2, such that p0 will be equal of 0 minus 1, that means a minus 1, p1 that means a 1 square minus 1, that means 1 minus 1 equal to 0, and p2 will be equal of 2 square minus 1, that means 4 minus 1 equal to 3. Answer will be minus 1, 0 and 3. Student, next question is there. Question number 3. Verify whether the following are zeros. That means we have to check out given polynomial is zeros or not against x equal to minus 1 by 3 and x will be equal of 1 and minus 1. Now we taking the first question, px, given that px equal to 3x plus 1 and putting x will be equal of minus 1 by 3 such that p minus 1 by 3 equal to 3. In the place of x we put minus 1 by 3, then 3 will be cancelled out from the 3, minus 1 plus 1 plus minus minus will be equal of 0. So remainder will be equal of 0, that means yes, it's function of 0. Answer will be yes. Now next question, take a given polynomial px will be equal of x square minus 1. Student, now putting x will be equal of 1 and putting x will be equal of minus 1. That means we have to check 2 times at x equal to 1, at x equal to minus 1. X will be equal of 1, that means p1 equal to 1 square minus 1. 1 square will be equal of 1 minus 1 will be equal of 0. That means the answer will be yes. Now we take x will be equal of minus 1. That means a minus 1 whole square and minus 1. That means a 1 minus 1 will be equal of 0. Again answer will be yes. अगर जो आपका रिमाइंडर मतलब वैल्यू पुट करने पर 0 आता है तो समझे यस. देखिए गिवन फंक्शन follow the zeros, condition of zeros. Student, next question, find the zero of the polynomial in each of the following case. Find the zero because the power of x will be equal of 1, so number of 0 will be equal of 1. Now finally last question of exercise, px will be equal of x plus 5. For zeros याद रखेंगे हमको 0 निकालना है, इसलिए हमेशा polynomial will be equal of 0. So x plus 5 will be equal of 0, then x will be equal of minus 5. And last one, px equal to cx plus d. For zeros, polynomial will be equal of 0. So cx plus d equal to 0, cx will be equal of minus d and x will be equal of minus d by c. I hope student you getting the proper solution of the each question related to exercise number 2.2 class 9. Thank you for watching this YouTube channel of the Santipani Higher Secondary School, Rajoda.